This is last time's homework. I start with the number 56. I split into 2 times 28. 2 is prime number. 28 is 2 times 14. 2 is prime number. 14 is 2 times 7. They are prime number. So 56 equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 7. You can notice the question asks 2 to the power n times n. So I write here is 2 to the power 3 times 7. Now you can see n is 3, n is 7. So both are prime numbers as asked for in the question. So this is my final answer. This question asks highest common factor of 60 and 96. We first find the product of a prime factor. I start with 60. I split into 2, 30, 2, 15, 3, 5, 60 equals 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. 96 split into 2, 48, 2, 24, 2, 12, 2, 6, 2, 3. So 96 equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Find the highest common factor. We find both of the common. Here's a 2, this 2 match this 2. This 2 match this 2. No more 2's, so I can't write the top line, no more 2's. Look at the 3. Here the 3. Can't write no more 3's because no 3. Here the no 5 because underline no 5. So the highest common factor for 60 and 96 is 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 3 is 12. To find lowest common multiple, you need highest common factor, which is 12, by everything we haven't right underline. Here is 5 and 2, another 2, which is answer 12 times 5 60 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is 480. So the 480 is lowest common multiple of 60 and 96. Here's homework for you and me. See you next time.